Hey guys, welcome back to the studio again. Once again, do another unboxing for you guys. Just in the garage, it's just dark and cold, and it's nice, and we have a nice surface to show you guys what we got. First of all, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, go ahead down there and hit that like, subscribe button for us, and make sure you turn that bell on. So, today's unboxing is going to be a little bit of new gear for the upcoming riding season of 2021. We have been working with the Gopro 7 Black, which, don't get me wrong, it's a very good camera. I love the stabilization, everything about it, but it was time for an upgrade. That's what this guy is. Like I say, I like to document my rides and all of our little group rides and stuff. Along with the GoPro, we used a lot of the drone footage, just documenting all the rides and stuff. Sometimes I'll bring this big camera or my other little point and shoot just to kind of document, but the GoPro is just so versatile because it does everything I need to do. So we got a couple of goodies in this package. What do we want to see first? This is the newest version of the GoPro out. The Hero 9 Black, and we got the max lens mod for it, so we could do it does like the horizon lock, so when you're riding along I think that'll look pretty cool. I'll pull everything out, then we'll kind of open up everything and show you what we got. We got the media mod, which I don't know if this is really going to be good for on the bike, because I already have my helmet mount and everything. We could hook this up to my mic system in my helmet, so this might be for like walking around. So that's for. Let's see. We got just a waterproof housing, because it is waterproof, but just in case. We got a little USB pass-through door, small stuff, and we got the remote for the handlebars on the bike, so we don't have to fiddle with hitting record while we're riding along. We got the dual battery charger with the extra battery, and we got the three-way selfie arm kind of tripod thing. This is version 2.0. I have the first version, and I like that first version, so why not pick up the second version? And we got all this off of GoPro's website, and if you subscribe to the little subscription service, they'll save you money on every one of these products. All this stuff will be linked down below, of course, in the description, so go ahead and check that out if you want to. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that, just it's a link that'll take you to GoPro's website. So I don't get anything for it. So, and I did pay for this with my dime. There's a nice little hard shell case. The 7 came with a case too, but it was like a real flimsy cloth. It wasn't like hard protected like this guy is. Of course, it's got plastic all over it, but that is the GoPro itself. I'm going to leave these little protectors on because I have screen protectors for this. I'm a firm believer in those screen protectors, especially for the lens. I know you can replace the lens on the 7, but I'd rather not, so I put the little glass screen protectors on these, and the lens of this has saved that lens twice. So yeah, I'm a firm believer in those. The size comparison is substantial. She's a thick one. I'm going to keep referencing the GoPro 7 Black in this video. If anybody wants to know why I keep doing that, because I don't have an 8. I wasn't a fan of the 8, that's why I didn't get it. So, I love the 7 Black, and hopefully this one too. Some sort of little clippy mount that seems very robust. A lot of the YouTube videos I watched on the unboxing of this camera, everybody thought these were 2 extra batteries in this box. They're not 2 extra batteries. One's for the camera, and 1 extra one. So, 2 batteries. Now we have 3, since I got the dual charger with the extra battery. I did the same thing for the 7 Black, because it's good to have at least 3 batteries, because when you're on a long motorcycle ride, one goes dead, just pull over and swap it out. Let's see, we got 2 mounts. This is just your regular little flat mount. A lot of people didn't understand what this mount was for because it's tall. You can use it. What I use it for is the front mount on my helmet, because this allows the camera to be turned up facing outwards like that. So yeah, that's what I use that mount for. And it does come with a 32 gig. I bought a 128 gig for it. Some instructions. Should be some stickers. Yep. Give you a couple little stickers there for your GoPro or whatever you want to put it on. To open the side door, you just pull down on the tab and then lift at the same time. There you go. And I know it does 4K and all that stuff, but I record in 1080p because most of the people are going to be watching on their cell phones, and cell phones not 4K. So, startup screen, you got a little GoPro in there, and you can see the little front animation there. Alright, and it's asking to install the GoPro app, which I already have, to finish the setup, but we'll do that later. We're going to finish opening up all of our stuff. This is the media mod with a little external microphone. Alright. Look at that thing, it's huge. Look at that. Apparently they made one for the 8. I don't know about the 7, so if they did, I probably would have bought it. But apparently this one's better than the one for the 8. I'm not going to give you my honest opinion because I didn't have the one for the 8. Comes with another mount with that long little leg on it, like I like. And another thumb screw. And I think to install that, you just open the little door, take it off somehow, like that. Just snap it off, don't break it off. Open the little door on the side, and then this slides right in like that, and then you can close that door like that, just like that. That makes it even more substantial. That's gonna look funny on the front of my helmet, but of course it won't have the media mod on it. Max lens mod. This is what's going to give you that horizon lock, which everybody's kind of excited about, which I am too. And it's supposed to give you 155 degrees of view. Yeah, that's it. Just a little tiny thing. And of course you get a little wet nap. Pop the skinny part off. The guy I watched do, he left this piece on. Like I said, this is not a tutorial, so I'm just gonna figure it out on my own. And apparently you just take the lens thing there and turn it. Apparently the first time was really hard. Son of a monkey. That thing don't want to turn. I didn't want to do this. That really took pliers to get that off. Okay. Here's what you can use this little towelette for, which you can use a regular towel. And I had to use a pair of freaking pliers to turn that thing. Just turn it just a little bit, and it turns, as you can see. And that is the normal little lens. And this is where you'll put the max lens mod on. Just line up the little tabs and turn it clockwise until it stops turning. Whoa. And there you go. That is with the max lens mod. There's that. Hate that I had to use a pair of pliers on it, but it's what it is. Let's see, what are we going to look at now? Let's look at the battery charger. In a couple videos back, well, several videos back, you guys probably remember I unboxed a Insta361R. That thing was a joke. As you can tell, you don't hardly see any footage from it anymore because I sold it. For one, the editing software is impossible to learn. There's not a whole lot of instructional videos on YouTube in English on how to learn that software. And every time I'd go to use the damn thing, or every time I'd go to use the thing, it'd run for 5 minutes and then just stop. Or I'd have a setting wrong or something stupid. So I just got really, really aggravated with it and sold it. I mean, yeah, it made some pretty cool little clips here and there, but it wasn't worth the time and hassle. So yeah, that one went bye-bye. There is our third battery. Nice and compact little charger there. That's pretty much all it is in that. So let's see, let's open the little grip 2.0 thing here. It's like a tripod, selfie stick, you know, holder all in one. Me likey. So you get your tripod setting. That'd be more of like a selfie kind of talking to it kind of thing. And then of course you got your tripod for them longer talking shots. A little further away from your face, or if you're doing a lot of, I don't know what you'd be doing, tubing, snowboarding, whatever you're doing. There you go. That's the new little Selfie 3-way 2.0, I think they call it. That's that. Let's see. Let's do the remote. Here's the little remote. That's your huge record button there in the middle. And it's got wrist strap, I guess, and another USB-C charger. See, this will allow you to plug in your, see, like on the 7, say when I had to plug in my microphone or riding the bike, I had to take the door off the side so I could hook in the cable or the microphone or anything. But when it rains, I had to take this off, because when you take that door off, it's not waterproof. This will fix the problem for the 8, for the 9. You have a really long cable, geez, and a little door. This will help the camera retain its waterproofness, as well as letting you plug in a cable to the side of it. And lastly, we have the protective housing for the 9, a little underwater housing, just in case. If you take it to a water park or something, and something accidental happens, this will protect your investment. And it gives you 2 doors. You got a skeleton door and then a solid back door, so you can see what you're recording. But this allows you to use the touchscreen, and it says audio is better using this. I know when we go to the beach this year, we can use this thing, like we're in the ocean, to protect from any salt water damage. That might happen. You never know. I had this thing in the ocean last year and it did just fine. But still, you know, something could have happened. So, let's see. Alright guys, and welcome back. It's been a few minutes. We put all the screen protectors on. We set everything up. We did a couple test shots. If I do go outside and do anything kind of as a test shot, I will put it in this video, but I can't promise anything because we have like tornado warnings and stuff right now. So there's not going to be a whole lot of test footage. I did do a couple shots like here in the studio, get all this stuff organized and put away, and cannot wait for riding season. The paint for the bike should be here tomorrow. I might be able to paint on Sunday. Fingers crossed, I don't know. Then it's going to be a couple days after that to let the paint dry, and then I got to wax it, buff it, and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm ready for that bike to be done and ready to ride. I got the rear tire coming as well. So I'm getting ready for this riding season, guys. We got some good rides coming up. And one day soon here we'll do a comparison video versus the 7 versus the 9, just so you can kind of see the quality of, you know, and the difference of the videos. I don't have an 8 to put in the middle there as a comparison. Like I said, I just never owned an 8. But yeah guys, if you like this video, just go down there and hit that like button for us. And like I said, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We do put out pretty regular videos on this channel, so I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next video.